Hey guys, Moto Geezer back here with another budget phone. About 2 weeks ago, one of my subscribers asked me if I was going to pick up the OnePlus Nord N30 that was just about to come out. So since I've been doing some budget phones lately, I figured I'd pick this one up and put it in the rotation.
Let's do this!
So there is a bundle with the OnePlus Nord Buds 2 coming in the bundle for the same price that you get for the phone, which is $299.99. But because I pre-ordered, I also got the case, which is pretty awesome. Now, I initially thought the buds were coming because of the pre-order, but no, Amazon still has that bundle going on. Right now, you get them with the N30. So we'll just check out what comes in the box with the phone, and we'll be addressing the buds at a later date. So looking at the phone, we have the usual OnePlus branding, plus our camera array. Only thing on the right is our fingerprint sensor. On the left, our volume up and down, and our SIM tray. And on the bottom, our headphone jack, unusual enough these days, our microphone, our USB Type-C in, and our speakers. Speakers, of course, are top and bottom on this phone. And since I have the case, we'll throw it on. So, of course, it's got that great texture. Plus, it's not going to slip. I'll just give you a quick look around the cutouts, because it was made by OnePlus, and of course they're perfect. So let's pop in the OnePlus Nord N30. Feels great. Of course, it's not going to slip with that sandstone case, that's for sure. It's got that OnePlus branding. So we're finally booted up, even though it's still copying, and like everybody else, I love the OnePlus launcher, which I haven't used in a while. So let's take a quick photo, and then we're gonna get out of here with this unboxing. So there's our first photo, indoors with artificial light. Looks pretty good to me. And of course, as a budget device, we're not expecting this to be stupendous in the cameras. So that's my unboxing and first look at the OnePlus Nord N30. This is my first OnePlus Nord phone, so hopefully I'll be pleased with it. As always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching.
One more thing.
We all do better when we love each other.